You guys know that I have 3 kids, and if having a mom as a YouTuber doesn't come with advantages, what's the point? When I saw that Peachybbies was looking for people to review and share their slime, I knew I had to sign up because all 3 of my kids have always loved playing with slime. Am I right?
Yes.
Peachybbies sent us their Bestsellers bundle. Each of my kids have picked one, and we're gonna see what they're like. So let's get into it. Okay, so Kel, my youngest, loves what animal, Kel?
Axolotls.
And they had a baby axolotl slime, so he gets that one. Mila, which one did you pick?
The Lavender Cow one.
Mila picked what I think is probably the cutest themed one, Lavender Cow. Elsie, which one did you pick?
Ocean Buddies.
Elsie picked the Ocean Buddies, which doesn't surprise me. She even had once at birthday themed, 6 by the Sea. In addition, in the bestseller bundles, they come with liquid fireworks. That's the one I'm excited to play with. And also de-stress dough. I'm not sure which of the kids is gonna get their hands on this first, but I know they all want it because that one also comes with all these fun mix-ins. There's also a little squishy it comes with, a slime care sheet, which I think is really great because I'm actually not super knowledgeable about slime. Elsie's played with slime so much she can fix almost any slime. But if you're new, it comes with a cheat sheet on how to fix sticky slime, how to fix stiff slime, and if you're new to slime, some wonderful tips. It also has a sticky fix spray, which I'm gonna have out in case my kids need it, some stickers, and some fun squishies. And then on top of that, how cute is this adorable box? Altogether, it's a great gift package. We're gonna bust into the slime and see how it is. But again, you can buy all of this in a single bundle. Okay, who wants to go first? Elsie and Cal. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys figure it out.
Cow can go.
Okay, so first we have baby axolotl here. Oh, so there's a lot of cute things in there. Cal, can you pick out the axolotl and show us? Oh my goodness, it comes with a little figure in there. So inside the slime, there's this adorable axolotl, a bunch of different sprinkles and mix-ins, and it kind of feels like sand, doesn't it? Very cool, bud. You can get that out and play with it on the counter. Do you like this, buddy?
Yes.
It's quite a bit of it too, isn't there?
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
It's pretty sticky, but.
Okay, so if it gets to be too sticky, you could use some of this, couldn't you? So the tip for sticky slime is to use the Sticky Fix pen. Add fixing liquid 1 spray at a time, mixing between each spray until the slime is no longer sticky. So we're gonna let him play with that and we'll see if he thinks he ends up needing that. Oh my gosh, that little axolotl is so cute. Okay, so we have one kid happy. Now we'll move on to maybe the toughest critic in the house when it comes to slime, Elsie K. So she has Ocean Buddies here. I love how on here it says do not eat because some of these are so pretty they do almost look like they should be edible. Ooh, kind of looks like waves.
Yeah.
What's it feel like, Else?
Feels like a jelly slime, kind of.
Okay. Okay, so Elsie has some fun figurines in hers. An adorable octopus in a hat. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. It's winking at you. It's like it's holding something too. A turtle, that's adorable. And then I love all of the little, I'm gonna call them sprinkles, are like fish and whales. Do you like it?
Yes.
Good pick?
Yes.
Okay, so Elsie wants to put some of this Sticky Fix spray on because it's a little sticky. So we're gonna see her do that 1 spray at a time. I think it's really nice that this kit has pretty much everything you need to enjoy your slime. I'm sure the slime's a little dependent on climates, and we're in Michigan, so it's probably gonna be a little different here than in other climates. So she's doing 1 spray at a time. We're gonna let her work on that. I love the way it looks when you stretch it. Will you give us a really good stretch? Is it getting better, Else?
Yes.
So it's fixing it, we shall say?
Yes.
Cal wants a little bit of it too. 1 spray at a time, bud. Mila is gonna have a whole new level of satisfaction because she has nice long nails to scoop hers out. So she has the Lavender Cow. Once again, we don't want to eat it. Go ahead, Mila. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's adorable. Another figurine. Does it smell good?
It smells good. Doesn't smell like lavender, but it smells very yummy.
Does it smell like cow?
No.
So Mila is 14 and a half, and do you still find satisfaction playing with slime?
Yes.
She was just as excited to get this as the others. Oh my gosh, look at that little baby cow. Adorable. Yeah, I think this is, in my opinion, the cutest we've seen. A little, is it plastic?
Yes, plastic.
A little faux flower action and a bunch of different sprinkles in there. Will you give us a little nail ASMR? Ooh, let's see that stretch again. I like how all of them have different reactions to being pulled and played with. That looks really satisfying. Oh, I see where the cow comes in now. It's spotted. I didn't realize that.
It's very fluffy and almost like clay and slime mixed together. It's
Okay.
very nice.
Awesome. I love that. I like the look of it when you pull it apart too. I think that's my favorite when watching you guys play with slime. The unfortunate thing is I have 3 kids, but only 5 slimes, so I don't know who's going to bust into the last 2. So the girls are going to be the last 2 reviewers, not saying they get to keep them, and Cal, for cooperating and being very happy about it, he gets to have the squishy guy. You love squishies, don't you? So he's going to get that and the slime to keep playing with, while the girls are going to tell us about the next 2. So Mila has, what is this? The de-stress dough, and it has mix-ins, a little bunny. Look how cute. This is my favorite part. I love miniatures, but it has a cloud and a bunny and just different sprinkles in there. So go ahead, Mila. Oh, that's satisfying.
It smells very pretty, but I don't know what to describe it as.
Okay, Mila's gonna do the mix-ins now. Yeah, this would be my favorite part, dumping a bag in and mixing it together. I need to feel this. Ooh, it looks more wet than it feels. Do you think so?
Yeah.
It's a the texture surprised me. Very satisfying. You can see the mix-ins in there. Okay, so do you guys think this would be a great gift for any kid?
Yes.
My kids, as I mentioned, I have an 8-year-old, almost 13-year-old, 14-and-a-half-year-old, all love slime. You can see very satisfactory. You can play with it. You can play with it over and over again, and there's lots of different options. And I like that this Bestsellers group has lots of different textures, colors, characters. And Elsie's going to show us the final one, Liquid Fireworks. This is the one that I'm very drawn to. It looks like the texture would be pretty satisfying. Ooh, I think some of these kind of rose to the top almost, do you think? We're going to count on Elsie to get it all mixed together. Are those beads in the middle? Oh, bingsu. Is that what it's called, basically, if it has beads in it?
It's this texture of beads, like the little round ones, kind of.
Okay. Now, Elsie, how did you first hear of Peachybbies?
YouTube.
So on top of having awesome slimes, they have a really entertaining YouTube channel. That's how I was very familiar with them. When I saw this opportunity to receive this box of slime, I knew my kids would love it because Elsie in particular loves watching their videos, don't you?
Yes.
The one that Elsie likes the most is fans can send in old bad slime, they can send in mix-ins, and then they show you how to fix it on camera, whether it's adding more glue or different activators, and they turn it into something different, which I think is a really fun, and it's pretty educational, but that is gorgeous.
It smells like body wash.
Is it like a good body wash
Yes,
smell?
it smells really good, like kind of floral.
This reminds me of a starry sky. Like it's very galaxy-like. Pretty sticky. Ooh, that's so satisfying.
I really don't know which one I like more though, because I like how this one breaks apart and stuff, and I love how it falls, but I like how this one is like even more clayey.
Decisions. She's trying to decide which one she gets to keep as her personal. As I mentioned, hard. Five slimes, 3 kids. Okay, we'll see what she comes up with. Elsie already switched from oceans to the fireworks, which I personally think I would go fireworks too. That one looks very satisfying. Chunky. Okay, so this was a lot of fun. My kids and I really have enjoyed going through these slimes. I don't play with slime a lot, and I'm amazed at how much I'm enjoying this myself. The really cool thing is Peachybbies sent these to me in exchange for making a video. I didn't get paid to do this, but if you do order, I do earn an affiliate income, and all of that information is going to be linked below in the description. Again, this is their Bestsellers bundle, but they have so many different ones. Personally, if I were putting in an order, I know I would have like picked the food ones. They had a pancake one, and what other food did they have?
Boba tea.
Oh yeah, that one would have been fun. They have so many different ones, and I think the bestseller bundle really gives you a good idea of all the different slime types. Lots of colors, lots of mix-ins. Guys, what do we say to Peachybbies for sending these to us?
Thank you.
Are Peachybbies gonna be on your Christmas list, else?
Probably.
If you're looking for a Christmas gift for a child in your life, I would not hesitate to buy them this bestseller bundle. I think it would be a big hit. My kids have thoroughly enjoyed this, and the reason I signed up for this is because they are already raving fans of Peachybbies. Won't be surprised if we see their videos on here real soon.